Okay, so I'm getting sick, replace DC jack, no luck. I have a headache and 99% sure I'm getting sick, right, okay. Tombstone cap since it was low reading when lost at 10, maybe 10k. Funny notes, okay. Okay, so okay, there's a bunch of liquid spill here, which is totally ignored. So they replaced the DC jack. So maybe something there, huh? Okay, so they replaced the DC jack and still nothing. Okay, let's see what that cap is first, what it is, if it's important or not. We go here, we go there. This looks like an older model. What a weird schematics, okay. Can't make out what I'm looking at. Okay, let me see if this is correct. Right. Dude, this guy's exploded. Yeah, so no, I'm not gonna spend time or money on this guy. Alright, he's got a major burn there on the PC, on the Super IO. Yeah. Anyway, that was a waste of time. Okay, see you in the next one.